Imagine two people. One saves every penny, cuts expenses, and avoids spending at all costs. The other seems to build wealth effortlessly, enjoying life without stressing over money. Here's the truth. Saving money the wrong way can actually keep you broke. Many people believe that just putting money in a savings account will make them financially secure. But in 2025, this mindset is outdated. Inflation eats away at savings, and low-interest bank accounts do little to grow wealth. Rich people don't just save money, they make their money work for them. They use smart strategies to turn savings into wealth-building tools. If you want to break free from financial struggle, you need to stop saving like poor people and start saving like the wealthy. This video will show you how. Are you ready to change your money game? Number 1. The poor people's mindset about saving. Many people believe that saving money is the key to financial security. They work hard, cut expenses, and put their extra cash into a savings account, thinking this will protect them in the future. But this way of saving keeps them trapped in a cycle of financial struggle. The truth is, saving alone will never make you rich. People with a poor mindset see money as something they must hold onto tightly. They fear losing it, so they focus only on saving, not growing their wealth. They believe that avoiding spending is the best way to stay financially secure, so they cut back on everything: fun, travel, even important investments in their future. But no matter how much they save, their money doesn't grow. Inflation slowly eats away at their savings, and they remain stuck, watching their money lose value over time. The rich think differently. They don't just save for emergencies, they use money as a tool. Instead of hoarding cash, they invest in assets that grow over time. They understand that money should work for them, not just sit in a bank. Imagine someone who saves $10,000 in a bank account for 10 years, earning almost no interest. Another person invests that same amount in stocks or real estate, earning an average of 7% a year. The difference after 10 years is massive. This is why mindset matters. If you think like the poor, you will save like them and stay stuck like them. Number 2. The hidden cost of saving wrong. Most people think that saving money is always a good thing. They believe that the more they save, the safer they are. But what if I told you that saving money the wrong way is actually making you poorer? One of the biggest problems with traditional saving is inflation. Prices keep rising every year, but your money in the bank stays the same or grows very slowly. In 2025, the global inflation rate is around 4%, hypothetically. If your bank gives you only 0.5% interest on your savings, you are losing 3.5% of your money's value every year. Over time, your savings buy less and less. You feel like you are being responsible, but in reality, your money is shrinking. Another problem is the comfort trap. Many people feel safe just having money in the bank. They believe that as long as they have a big savings account, they are financially secure. But security is an illusion if your money isn't growing. A person with $20,000 in a savings account today might feel good, but in 10 years, that money will be worth much less due to inflation. Meanwhile, someone who invested that same $20,000 could have doubled or tripled their wealth. The biggest hidden cost of saving wrong is missed opportunities. Every dollar sitting idle in a low-interest account is a dollar that could have been working for you. Rich people don't just save, they grow their savings by investing. And that's what separates them from the rest. Number 3. How the rich save money differently. Rich people don't save money the way most people do. They understand that simply keeping money in a bank won't make them wealthier. Instead of hoarding cash, they put their money to work. One of the biggest differences is that the rich don't just save money, they allocate it wisely. Instead of letting money sit in a savings account, they invest it in things that grow like stocks, real estate, or businesses. They know that money must move to multiply. A person with $50,000 in a regular savings account might feel secure, but a wealthy person would rather put that money into an asset that earns them passive income. Another key difference is how the rich use leverage. While poor people fear debt, the wealthy use it as a tool. They borrow money at low interest rates to invest in high return opportunities. For example, they might take a mortgage to buy rental properties that generate income, or they might use business loans to expand profitable ventures. Instead of avoiding debt completely, they use it to make more money. The rich also focus on cash flow, not just savings. They don't just keep money for emergencies, they use it to create income streams. This could be through dividend-paying stocks, rental properties, or even side businesses. Their goal isn't just to have money sitting there, it's to make money work for them 24/7. This is why the rich keep getting richer. They don't just think about saving, They think about multiplying their money. Number 4. The 2025 Blueprint: How to Save Like the Rich. If you want to save money like the rich in 2025, you need a completely different approach. The first step is to stop parking money in low-interest savings accounts. Keeping large amounts of cash in the bank might feel safe, but it's actually losing value every year due to inflation. Instead, wealthy people move their money into high-yield savings accounts, treasury bonds, or money market funds where it earns a higher return while still being accessible. Another important strategy is automating wealth building. Many people automatically transfer money to a savings account each month, but the rich take it a step further. They set up automatic transfers into investments, such as stock market index funds, real estate, or business ventures. This ensures that their money isn't just sitting there, it's constantly growing. Diversification is another secret of wealthy savers. Instead of relying on just one method, they spread their money across different assets. Some goes into stocks, some into real estate, and some into income-generating businesses. This way, even if one investment performs poorly, the others can still build wealth. Meanwhile, most people only save in one place, their bank account, which limits their financial growth. Rich people also treat saving differently. They don't just save for emergencies, they save with a purpose. Every dollar they set aside has a job, whether it's for investing, buying property, or funding a new business. This mindset shift is what separates them from those who simply hoard money without a plan. Another powerful tool they use is debt, but in a smart way. While many people see debt as something to avoid, the rich understand how to use it for wealth creation. They borrow money at low interest rates to invest in assets that generate higher returns. Instead of being afraid of debt, they learn how to make it work for them. Saving like the rich is about making every dollar count. It's about moving money where it grows and using financial tools wisely. Number 5. The mental shift: How to Think Like a Wealthy Saver. Saving money the rich way starts with changing how you think about money. Instead of seeing money as something to protect, wealthy people see it as something to put to work. Every dollar they save has a purpose. It's not just sitting in a bank account. It's being used to grow more wealth. One of the biggest mindset shifts is understanding that money should work harder than you do. Rich people treat their money like an employee. They don't let it rest. They send it into investments, real estate, or businesses where it can grow. They know that simply holding onto cash won't build wealth. It needs to be active. Another key difference is how they handle spending. Instead of thinking only about saving for security, they focus on spending money on things that bring a return. They invest in education, business skills, and income-generating assets rather than just cutting costs. This is why the wealthy keep growing their money while others struggle. Financial education is also a priority for the rich. They never stop learning about money. They read books, take courses, and seek advice from experts. They know that the more they understand, the better decisions they make. Thinking like a wealthy saver means shifting from fear-based saving to opportunity-based saving. It's about using money wisely, not just keeping it safe. Saving money alone will not make you rich. If you follow the traditional way of saving, you will always struggle to get ahead. The truth is, the rich don't just save money. They use it wisely. If you want to build real wealth, it's time to change your strategy. Instead of letting your money sit, start thinking like an investor. Move your savings into assets that grow over time. Now, if you want to learn how to achieve financial success, then watch this video next. If you made it to this point in the video, please like and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.